thing is that it's like anything. If you bring in this kind of draconian law, you are going to get people working around it. And the thing is you're dealing with kids that are growing up with tech, and these laws are being made by people that barely grew up with a typewriter, and here they are turning around trying to say, no, you can't be on social media. It really is disparate. It's not sensible. It is not going to protect children. In fact, I think it's potentially going to put children more at risk as they go to alternative platforms, and they're going to get around it.